Now that we've unboxed and paired the Sony XR Head-Mounted Display, we're ready to jump into Siemens NX. In this video, we'll be showing you how to access NX Immersive Designer and set up your virtual workspace. Let's go ahead and launch NX Immersive Designer to get started. First, select the display ribbon and make sure that the correct platform is selected in Immersive Preferences under General, Device, Platform. Then select Go Immersive. Now we're ready to put on the head-mounted display as well as the ring and pointing controllers. With NX Immersive Designer launched and hardware fitted, we're ready to set up our virtual workspace. The first thing you'll see in NX Immersive Designer is your 3D model appear in your real-world environment. Video see-through capability of the head-mounted display enables you to view models in the context of your surroundings. By pressing and holding the bottom button on the ring controller, you can grab and move your model to position it and resize the model by choosing the desired scale. With NX Immersive Designer, we can truly combine the real and digital worlds by working on full-scale model of the car right in our office. With our model up and going, let's open a virtual monitor to help us interact with and manipulate our designs. To set up a virtual monitor, tap the top, wide face of the ring controller. This will bring up the menu. Using the arrows, navigate to the virtual monitor function, which is shown as VM. From this menu, you can choose which monitors you would like to display by selecting the monitor and toggling the display on and off. To position or reposition your virtual monitor, use the pointing controller to point just above the middle of the display. Then, using the pointing controller to place the monitor within your workspace. You can also resize your monitor by using the pointing controller to select the arrows in the top corners and dragging to increase or decrease its size. Now that we've set up our virtual workspace, let's start exploring.